magic hot water dispenser. So we have color codings. You have the cold outlet, hot outlet, and the vent. The cold is with the blue color, the hot is with the red color, the vent is clear, white. Now, using the color coding, we have to insert these pipes inside. The vent is clear, it doesn't have any color coding here. So we just inside. Right. Now all our pipes are now connected. We have now connected to our tap. Now before connecting to our tap, you have to move past the back nut. If you want to collect water, you have to place your cup here or whatever, anything on top of this. So you have to insert first our tap in here. Then after that, you connect the cable. Then you close this inside here. Then use the clip for making it firm. Clip from the machine to the tap is now complete. This now is supposed to be. After that, this is the hose clip for drainage. You have to close inside here, the drainage. Have our drainage here. We're using a half-inch plates water inlet. You just have to connect here. These are half-inch water inlet fittings. Our connection is done. This is how we can. So you have to place on the drainage line. Our connection is done from the machine to our tap. The tap is automatic. When the machine is on, it's a touchpad. You can even just, if you want hot water, cold water, the hot water is red, the cold water is blue. You can just tap here, then get your hot water, your cold water, and our machine is done.